Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to find the how many words on your paragraph or on your document by using the word count option on your Google Docs mobile phone. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So, how to see the word count on your Google Docs mobile application? So first of all, I just open some project. So it's actually already a used project. So now just click on this three dot option on the top. Now you can find an option called word count. Just click this. Here you can see the words or 274 words here, and characters are 1807, and characters excluding the space is 1552. So this is how you can just come back and check for another template or another report. So just click on this three dot on the top. Now choose the word count. Here you can see the words 302 characters and also the characters excluding the spaces. So this is how you just see the word count on your Google Docs mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.